So although I love the washing machine, and now that I have one that actually works, the first one that I got did not work, so I had to get another one. They sent me a replacement, and as you can see, it spins uncontrollably, so I had to use a bungee cord in order to keep it from hopping all over the place. So I have it sitting on top of my chest freezer. It's spinning, and it spins the water out really well. This is my second time using it. So I wash my clothes, and then I put, drain everything out, and then I put it in the spin basket so that it can spin. And I have a second basket because, like I said, it was a replacement because the first one didn't work. So I just alternate baskets so that they won't wear on the bottom. What I've noticed is that the basket on the bottom, when it spins, it gets to start wearing and tearing. So luckily I have another basket. So just a quick review. It's a good washer. It washes the clothes really well, but you just have to make some certain modifications in order for it to spin.
This is my portable mini washer, and when you don't put a lot of clothes in, it gives you tremendous washing potential. And these are a few heavier items, so I didn't put a lot in there. But this is how it really goes, which is very good.
This is the little washer. And then it spins everywhere. It goes back and forth basically.
So I like it, but when you use the spin cycle, it really shakes and makes noise, and I have to put weighted heavy bags on top, because if I don't, it'll shake all over the place and go nuts. So this is, I guess, the best I can do in the spin cycle.
I went to fill it and it is cracked all down the middle of it. That's how it was when I went to use it for the first time. That is how it was, all the way down. It's completely cracked.
Miren cómo llegó. No. Partida. Aquí, así llegó.
Seems broken.